Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have with us the iconic Nokia phone, which is Nokia E71. This phone was popular amongst business people, and this phone was ahead of its time. So let us see the unboxing, and after that we will see some of its features. So let's start. I have bought this device from Shopclues.com, and I must say the packaging looks good. And as you can see, the box is not original, but it is a copy box. You can easily understand from the text printed on this box. The MRP on the box is 2499, but I got this device for around 2000 rupees. So all the available links I will be putting in the description below, so you can get it there. This box is surely not original. I will be showing the original box image somewhere on the screen, but it is quite acceptable as this phone is refurbished. You only get the phone charger and the battery, that too not original. The battery and the charger are not original, they are just compatible. No user guide, warranty card and earphones are available in the box. The phone looks quite decent. No physical damages are seen as of now. Towards the front you have the display, some sensors and the front camera. The QWERTY keyboard looks quite good and easy to type. You have the speaker grill on the top and the power button highlighted in red. Towards the left you have the memory card slot and micro USB slot. Towards the back you have the 3.2 megapixel autofocus camera with LED flash and a small mirror for selfies. Towards the right you have the earphone jack, which is 2.5 mm to be noted, volume up down and a voice assistant button. Yes, you heard it right, this phone comes with a voice assistant feature. Towards the bottom you have the charging pin. You have to push these two clips to open the back panel, and you can see there is no battery. We have to put the battery and then switch it on. This device supports a mini SIM. Now let us put the battery and switch on this device. You have to give a slight push so that the back panel is locked at its place. It gives a haptic feedback, the iconic Nokia logo and the tune. So as you can see, the device is on. When you click the menu you get the old style Nokia menu icons. It's good to see that the camera is still functional. This is how we used to set the profiles in the Nokia devices. One of the most unique features this device had was Wi-Fi, built-in Wi-Fi. So yes, this device works on Wi-Fi. I don't currently have any SIM installed on this device. I'm running the internet on my Wi-Fi. As you can see, Google is running, but most of the modern websites will not run on this device due to some certificate error. But you can install Opera Mini to browse the internet on this device. As you can see, the Wi-Fi option is available in this device. This dark theme suits this device quite well. Now let us check if the charger works or not. Yes, the charger is working fine. I also have Nokia E63 with me. I have unboxed this device on my channel. You can check on the I button above. I bought this device in 2017 and still this device is functional. So you can see both the devices side by side. The Nokia E63 is quite thick when compared to the Nokia E71. The Nokia E71 looks premium and feels very thin in hand. It is also very comfortable to hold in the hand. I may upload some more videos on this device, like the unique features of the Symbian OS, which is on this device. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.